Good afternoon, guys. Today is Thursday. I am Deo and I'm now going to the shopping mall just to walk around, see some stuff, and just like that, the shopping center is full of cars today. Yeah, today is Thursday and the shopping mall are extended until 8 o'clock today. Most of the shopping mall in Australia normally until 5 o'clock, but today until 8 o'clock. And now we are going to McDonald's. We're going to eat some. They have this very cheap $3 for 3. Sorry, God. Yeah, the people here, they drive and they want me to pass through first. Yeah, this is the current promotion they have here in McDonald's. 1 soft drinks, 1 french fries, and a regular burger. That's just $3. Nice, I like it. While eating in McDonald's, these 3 guys, these 3 teenagers, they come and ask me, are you the one with the electric bike? And I said, yeah. And then one of those teenagers asked me if I have $3 spare. And I said, I'll check. And I have $3 and I give the $3. Wow, very casual. Yeah, just get down from the bus coming from Salamander and I'm going back home now. I am supposed to be walking, but I get lazy, so I'll just going home and yeah, edit some videos so that I can upload it tonight. Everywhere I go, every smile I see, that the still will right, then lean back at me. Everything moonlight, that's the soul where you try to see your smile shining back on me. I went to Optus, yeah, because I did a subscription to their 140 GB data, $70 per month. Yeah, I think it's okay. I also bought this. Yeah, this thing from Kmart. And this from Kmart also. This is just $2. And also this is a 4G internet on the go. Basically a modem for my, for internet. Yeah. And this from Priceline. Toothpaste. This will be a travel toothpaste, so I can put in my bag. Head and shoulder. No dandruff. Yeah. I need to use shampoo because I'm working in the kitchen and it's oily. Yeah, so it doesn't feel good if I don't take shampoo. Yeah, and this is the contract with the Optus. Yeah, good morning, guys. I have a lot of things to clean. I just had my breakfast. I cooked this and now I need to clean. Yeah, this one, it's getting yellow, the stain from the heat and the oil. It is like this now. Look at the others. I'm not using this, only this one. That's why it's got this stain. And I put some toothpaste. I can't find of anything that I can clean this. Yeah, I put some toothpaste. Maybe it is going to work. And I have some scrub here. Yeah, metallic scrub. Oh yeah, it's nice. Nice. It's still hot. It smells like toothpaste. Smells like brushing my teeth. Or is it maybe because of this metallic scrub? Yeah, if I touch this, it doesn't make me feel that I'm scrubbing the paint of this tube. Yeah, it doesn't. You maybe seen this in the previous video that it's already this color. Yeah, I'm always trying to clean this by just soap and water and the plate scrubber, but it's not removing. I can't take it off. So this time I tried to check in Google, in YouTube, and then I've seen some procedures. They are using some what's that powder? I forgot the powder. Baking powder? No. Baking soda and vinegar. And then I went to the toilet and I saw the toothpaste is running out, and I decided to put it here. I don't know if this is removing because of the toothpaste. Yeah, I think it's yeah. There are some parts that cannot be reached by the scrubber, like the very corner. Awesome. Nice. This paint is very strong. It doesn't scratch by this metallic scrubber. Yeah, it's only the dirt that is being scrubbed. Nice. Nice. It's not perfectly clean, but it's clean. Got a feeling down deep in my soul, but I just can't do. Yes, I'm on my way. Hey guys, good afternoon. It looks like going to rain today. Yeah, actually there was a rain along the way coming here, and yeah, as always I finished at 2 o'clock and I am now here. I'm just having a coffee. Yeah, and you know this coffee is free. Yeah. I don't know why. I think because the the owner or maybe the manager is because I was coming to the, what is that? It's a leaves. Yeah. I thought this is something like a fish, but no, it's just leaves, dry leaves. So I was coming to the restaurant, and then this manager is going out of the restaurant, and then he saw me and he recognized me, of course. So he go back to the bar, where they do the coffee, and yeah, he asked me if I want coffee. Yeah. And I said yes, cappuccino. And then I was about to pay to the cashier, and he told to the cashier that today is free for me. Yeah, and now it's free, it's large. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, nice. I don't know why it's free. Yeah, thank you very much. And then he gave it back. He gave it to me, and I said thank you very much. And they said, and then he said, my pleasure. Nice. It feels good to yeah, it feels really good. Yeah. And you know what? Today is the last day of one of my colleague in the restaurant, and he told me that his last day today. And I asked him, so where are you going? And then he said that he's going back to Sydney. And I learned, also during the conversation, he told me that he is a singer, a composer, and he has a YouTube channel, and this is his YouTube channel. Yeah, we had the conversation before, and he said that he is a part Filipino, like his mother is half Filipino, but yeah, so like he is a 3/4 Filipino. Yeah, this guy is Luke Hansen Music. If you want to check in YouTube, his name is the channel is Luke Hansen Music. LUKEHANSEN Music. Yeah, sounds good. And if you look at him, he looks like a white Chinese looking guy, but mixture of white. Yeah.